Hey everyone, and welcome to another tutorial video. This time, I'm drawing the head in a 3/4 angle. Hopefully this helps you in drawing the head at this angle. I usually start off with a rough sketch to get a bearing of the head. Start off with a rough circle, then a line that indicates the location of the ears and the eyes. Then, I draw the face starting from the cheeks down to the chin. After that, I draw the jaw that connects to the ear. Then the neck. I'm just drawing the bust, so I'll end the sketch outline here. After I'm satisfied with the rough sketch, I'm gonna copy this layer and lower its opacity. With this new layer, I create the second pass of the sketch. I start with the nose. I usually simplify this with a pyramid. Then I black out the eye. I do this with a circle to indicate the position of the eyes. After that, I sketch out the mouth. I usually have this triangle to black out the position of the eyes and the lips. I'm gonna do the same thing here where I copy the layer and lower the opacity. I'm gonna refine the sketch a bit more, then I'm going to ink it. For the next step, I'm gonna try to sketch or lay out the hair. A rough sketch of the hair would really help in the next stage where I'm going to finalize it. The next step is the line art stage or the inking stage. I'm using an inking brush default, which is the G pen brush. I usually take my time in this stage going over the sketch layer and changing and improving parts of the sketch. Another trick to make your line art more unified is I apply another pass of ink around the image. I apply highlights in the eyes. And I think it's done. Please feel free to comment down below for any art topics that you want me to cover. Or if you have any questions, I'll try to answer them below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.